Hi guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Look at guys, don't mind how I look. I just woke up and come with me to make me something to eat because I'm hungry. And I know I look rough, but yeah. And because I just woke up, I'm gonna make me some coffee because yeah, Nescafe. My mommy normally buys Jacobs, but the Jacobs was too expensive. So she bought Nescafe Gold, which is pretty good. I normally drink black coffee, but today I'm feeling like, let me put some milk in. Full cream. I'm gonna put the patties in the air fryer. So while that is cooking, I am gonna chop up some stuff. So I got my tomato. So I got onion too. I love onion, but I'm not gonna put a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna cut up this cheese like a thicker piece. No. Cut it like this. So 2 blocks of cheese. So basically now we have to wait for the patties and then we can put everything together. So guys, I forgot to record when I put my bread and stuff together, but yeah, here it is. Melted the cheese. Yeah, my uncle was hungry, so I gave him the other two. But bye.